Hey y'all, and welcome back. You know, this weekend, it's Mother's Day weekend, and we got to spoil mama. We got to spoil your mom. So what better way to spoil her than breakfast in bed? Super easy breakfast we're gonna make today. We're gonna do French toast, but we're gonna kind of elevate it just a little bit, make it really good, make it something she's gonna talk about for years. Now, as you see, we got some brioche style bread, we got some maple syrup, we got some snickerdoodle, some vanilla, some eggs, and some bacon, a few other little odd end things. And together, all this is gonna be amazing. It's gonna turn out great, super simple, but your mom, your wife, whoever you serve this to, will love you. She'll say, thank you so much, I love you. That's what she'll tell you. And so you wanna go ahead and get your Blackstone fired up, put everything on low, and get it heating up. Because you need to go ahead and make this breakfast, get it ready before she wakes up. So let's go ahead and go check on that Blackstone, see if it's ready to cook, and throw some bacon down. Now you may have noticed a different griddle when I fired it up. It's not my air fryer. I actually have a new griddle. I've used it once here at the Crazy Acres, and I actually took it to Tennessee and used it on some live cooks here recently. Now the air fryer unit I still have, but it's kind of sitting over the side right now. It really needs a good stripping down and re-cleaning and re-seasoning and just a good overhaul. So be sure to be on the lookout because I'll have a video coming out soon of me stripping it down, re-seasoning it, the whole 9 yards, getting it back ready for the show. But for right now, let's throw down some bacon. I got 6 strips of hardwood smoked bacon right here. I think 6 strips, might be 7. I don't know, just grab some. I got 6, that's okay. There we go, bacon's on. Right now the bacon's going slow, so let's get on over here and mix up the stuff for the French toast. All right, that bacon's over there cooking. It smells amazing out here right now. Let's go ahead and get this, I guess you call it batter or French toast mix, or let me know in the comments down below what you call it. Right now we need to mix something up. Dip that bread in. Cracking some eggs here. Uh-oh, without the shells. That always is better without the shells. My biggest problem with making something like this is the amounts. I don't know. I think I'm gonna go with just, what, 5 eggs here? We'll go with 5 eggs. Sounds good. Let's see here. We like to add a little bit of vanilla to it. Just a little bit. And of course, cinnamon. Gotta have some cinnamon. And just whisk it all together. Make a nice little mix here for that French toast. Make sure all them eggs are beaten up and all them yolks are broken. Get a good mixture in here. There we go. That simple, look at that. One other thing, some people mix milk in this or a heavy whipping cream, whatever. My wife really don't like that, so I'm not gonna mix that in with hers. Let me know also down below what you use for your French toast dip, mix, whatever you want to call this. But right now, let's go check on that bacon. Well, this bacon's cooking up rather well. Let's go ahead and give it a flip. Them pieces there seem to be cooking faster than the others, but that's okay. We can move things around as we need to. Still kind of learning this griddle. There we go. Looking good, looking good. I think what I'm gonna do is move these pieces here over to the side because they're cooking quicker for some reason. You kind of just move these in together here. Like that. And man, I love this bacon on the griddle. Love it. Because I mean, what's not to love about bacon? Especially bacon on the Blackstone. Man. Love the smell, love the sound. You know it's gonna be a good day when you have this going on right here. Now there's a couple pieces ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and take them up, set them on this cutting board here, paper towel, and let them drain just a little bit. These two right here seem to be where I want them because we have plans for this bacon, y'all. Let's go ahead and flip this other bacon while we're at it, while we're right here. This is about where I want it, getting close. And just like that, this bacon's done. Let's take it all up, let it drain just a minute, we're gonna chop it all up. Man, look at that pretty bacon right there. Yes, sir. This So now let's take it over here and we'll chop it up. All right, bacon's over here. It's cooled down just a little bit. Let's go ahead, get it off the towel here. Ain't that pretty bacon? That's a pretty bacon. Now, what I want to do is, you could serve this next to that French toast, but what I'm going to do is go ahead and just chop it up. We want to chop it up in kind of little small, fine pieces. So, just come in here and cut it. That's the reason I cook it kind of crispy. Some people like crispy, some don't. But for this recipe, crispy works better. It really does. As you see, I'm cutting really small pieces because I want to be able to just kind of dust the French toast. You'll see. You'll see what I'm going to do with it. It's going to be so good. Yep, looks good to me. Get us a dish. And just pile it up in there. Homemade bacon bits, look at that. Be good for a salad too. But this is Mother's Day. Don't serve her a salad. Don't give your mama a salad unless she really wants one. Get the rest of them in here. No bacon piece can be left behind. But honestly, homemade bacon bits, you couldn't go wrong with this on a salad either, honestly. So now, we got the bacon crumbled up, we got everything done, except we ain't made the French toast yet. Let's get over there and make that now. Well now, all left to do is go ahead and cook this French toast. Won't take long at all. I got 6 pieces. I hope I have enough batter, mixture, whatever you want to call this, for 6 pieces. But let's go ahead and try to cook them. But this brioche bread, I think it's gonna make some amazing French toast, y'all. Let's go ahead and give it a good coating here. Throw it on the griddle. Yes, sir, Bob. This is going to make some good French toast right here. I think we're going to have just enough batter here for it. Oh yeah, just enough. Probably could do a couple more pieces, but that's okay. And they're on. Now, it won't take French toast long at all to cook, and we'll be flipping this in just a second. But look how pretty this is up on this griddle right now, y'all. Man, I wish y'all could smell this cinnamon, the way it's cooking on this griddle right now, with that vanilla. Oh, it smells so good. But, it's been on here maybe a minute. Let's go ahead and flip them and see what they look like. Looking good, look at that. Uh-oh, the egg sticking together on this one. Yeah, that looks great. Liking that. Looking really good. Love that toast on there. Yeah, look how good this is cooking up on this griddle right here, y'all. Oh yeah, won't be long. We're gonna be putting all this all together and make mama happy. All right, it's only been about another minute or so. Like I said, don't take long. Let's go ahead and take up this French toast before it burns. Let's see how it looks on both sides. Oh yeah, looking good there. Let's take all this up. Man, it smells amazing. Y'all, that is a beautiful pile of French toast, but we ain't done with it yet. Let's go over here and build it and get it all together and get it ready for mom. Here comes the fun part. I love making the food look pretty because pretty food does taste better, but we are trying to impress mom this morning. So what I'm gonna do is try to lay this out nice and pretty, make it look fancy because it's for mama. Gotta be fancy for mama. Look at that, 6 pieces. Works rather well on here. Yes, sir. Let's move the cutting board out of the way. Look at that right there, y'all. Looking good so far. Looking good. I mean, that really does. But we're not done. We're not done. We got to make it pretty. So let's see. I think now we'll take our chopped bacon. We'll just kind of sprinkle bacon all over it. Of course, just a little bit, just a little dose. Don't need much right now. Okay. Take us some maple syrup. Let's do some maple syrup on it. Give something the rest of that stuff to stick to. Yeah, buddy. There we go. Looking good. Now, I think I want to try a little snickerdoodle on it. Yep, not only the cinnamon and the vanilla. This snickerdoodle by Blackstone is some amazing stuff. You can find this at blackstoneproducts.com. And guess what? If you use Crazy Pop 10 at checkout, you get 10% off. Don't forget that. Write that down. Crazy Pop 10. Let them know I sent you. Either way, let's put some snickerdoodle on here. Little shameless plug, y'all. Ooh, boy. Snickerdoodle French toast. I think more bacon. Why? Bacon. Mama loves bacon. Gotta add more bacon. So let's put some more bacon on here. Make it look nice and pretty. Yes, sir. There we go. One more thing. One more thing. Powdered sugar. Gotta have a little powdered sugar in here just to make it look nice and pretty like. Yes, sir, Bob. Look at that. And there you go. Mama's breakfast is ready. Ta-da! You can walk in the room saying, ta-da! We love you, Mom. I do believe Mama's gonna be happy if you walk in the room and give her this first thing in the morning to wake her up. Now, what Mama wouldn't love to be woken up with some French toast like this right here? Man, this looks good. I gotta sneak a piece of it to see how it tastes now. Well, y'all, it's that simple to make Mom happy. And that's what it's all about. Because like I said in my last video, happy wife, happy life. Well, that's the same with Mom. As long as Mom is happy, the whole house will probably be happy. But don't tell her. I am fixing to sneak a taste of this. See how it turned out. Because I don't want to serve Mom no nasty food. We don't want to serve her anything nasty. She might be like, you really hate me if you serve me this. So we got to make sure it tastes all right. Let's see what we got. Doggone. I don't know if Mama's going to get this batch or not. That is so good. Just the right amount of cinnamon. You can kind of taste that vanilla coming through, but that Snickerdoodle really takes it to the next level. The bacon adds a little bit of saltiness to it. You got the sweet with that Snickerdoodle and maple syrup, and you got the cinnamon flavor. Man, so easy, but so many flavors coming through. So good. Now, here's the options. You can serve this fresh fruit. You can serve this with some sausage. You can serve this however your mom likes it. Serve it just like it is, I promise you. My wife would be happy with this. I do, especially with the bacon. I probably got to put more bacon on it for her, but because it's bacon, she loves bacon. But anyhow, let me know in the comments down below what you would serve with this or what you'd even do different. And by the way, happy Mother's Day. To all the mothers out there, happy Mother's Day. You are amazing. Everything you do for your husbands and your kids, and all the sacrifices you make all year long, this is all about you. I can't say thank you enough to all the mothers for everything you've done. Thank you, thank you, thank you. But with that, I got to go make my wife and the kids' mother happy. We'll see you next time.